Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we will discuss all things of SEO. In today's video, we are going to talk about the social bookmarking and how it can help you to increase your website SEO. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to discuss that what is social bookmarking. Social bookmarking is a way of saving and organizing our favorite web pages on the internet. It's like creating a bookmark on the browser, but instead of saving it in our computer, you save it online, making it accessible for any device connection to the internet. So how does the social bookmarking helps in SEO? Social bookmarking can help you in increasing your website SEO in multiple ways. So the first, it drive traffic to your website, which is one of the key factor in ranking higher on the search result. Secondly, it generates backlink to your website, which is another important factor in SEO. And finally, it helps you to increase your website visibility and awareness among the target audience. Okay, so let's discuss about the steps of creating a social bookmarking for your website. So here is the first step, that we need to choose websites for social bookmark. There are many social bookmarking websites available on the internet, such as Reddit, StumbleUpon, Dig and Delicious. You can choose the one that suits the best. Here I'm going to use three websites to show you that how you can create social bookmarking. It just for an example, you can search these websites by typing here the social bookmarking site. Here you will get the results for all those. From here you can take the websites and can create social bookmarking on them. Okay, so we are going to start with the Dig website. So in this video, we are going to create social bookmarking by Reddit, Dig, and on Twitter. Okay, so if you see here, we have multiple websites like ready.com, x.com, with sugar, Scoopit, Pinterest, and many more. So let's start with creating social bookmarking from Pinterest. Okay, it's the easiest way to create social bookmarking. So you need to go on pinterest.com. First of all, you need to create a account on Pinterest. It's very easy. You can use your Gmail, and which is already login Google, and then you can log into Pinterest by then you can create an account on Pinterest just by signing in through your that email address. Okay, so after sign up, you will get a dashboard like this in your Pinterest. You need to click on this create. Now click on create pin. Okay, here you see another dashboard. Now you need to write your title here. Okay, so here is our title. Copy that and paste it here. Okay, now you need to paste your description here. So this is our description. Need to copy it and then paste it here. Okay, now the third is to create a old you can add here the old text as well, but right now we are not doing this, and we are going to add the destination link. So here is the destination link, https. Make sure that you are doing SEO on which URL. Like if you have the URL that is https www.outline.in, then you need to write the same URL here instead of this one. Okay, now here you need to select your image. Click on this and then you can easily choose image from your computer. Okay, so here is the image for our product. Now click on save. Here you have created a bookmark. Okay, now click on see it now. So this is how our Pinterest bookmark is looking like. Here we have our image, then our title, then the description for our post. And whenever the user come and click here, he will be redirected to your website. Okay. Now you need to copy this URL and add this to another sheet or notepad, and then save these URLs, so that if you do the same process again, then you can use the same URL. Okay, now let's see the second example. Okay, now we are going to create a bookmark on Reddit. So this is how Reddit dashboard looks when you sign into it. Okay, now you need to click on create a post. Here you need to choose a community first. Okay, so I have my own community, so I choose this. Now you need to put the title for your post. You can do one thing, you can write your title, meta description, and the text in another notepad or a sheet, so that you can copy everything from there. Okay, and here you can make hyperlinks as well, but it will allow you to put only one link. Okay, I will dot in. Insert it. Here you need to select image for your file. Here you can put the URL on which you are for which you want bookmarking. Okay, now you can click on this post option, then your post will be created. Here you can see our post is now created. Okay, now here you can see that our post is created. Whenever the user come and click here, he will be redirected to your website. So this is going to help you to increase your website SEO. If whenever someone comes and click on sees your post and click on the link, then there are high chances then he can visit your website and get some purchase from there. Okay, now let's talk about the third bookmarking site. So I'm going to show you on Tumblr. I'm showing you the easiest one on which you can create the social bookmarking. Okay, click on add this text. Creating account on any of them is very easy. You just need to put your email address and then password. Maybe some can send you the activation link and some other things. Then you need to do these simple things and your account will be created. Okay, now you need to write your title, then the description, and you can put a hyperlink here as well. Okay, see here we have an option to add tags. You can put your tags here on which you are currently working. Tags are basically the keywords on which you are working. So write here hourly. You can add up to 25 tags in a single post. Okay, don't put so many tags at a time. Okay, so here we are putting only these three tags. Okay, now click on post now. Okay, wait, we are going to add the image here. Okay, now choose the image. Okay, so here is the image and our post is now ready. We need to post it. Now click on post now and our post is done. If you see here, we have successfully created three social bookmarking on three different websites. I hope you are now able to get that how we can create social bookmarking. For the social bookmarking website, you can just Google that social bookmarking sites for 2023. That will give you the websites which are created in 2023 or which are higher in authority in 2023. So make sure that you create social bookmarking on the high authority websites. Okay, now this will engage the users for you, and this will help you to build relationships with your target audience and increase your website visibility. So that's it for today's video on how to create social bookmarking for your website to increase SEO. Social bookmarking can be a powerful tool in SEO strategy, so make sure to leverage its fullest potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more SEO tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.